Hey guys, I'm Deepti Desikan, and today's video I'm going to be talking about products, fast selling products in the hair care and skincare category. So I have done a previous video of this at least like a week back, and that was mostly makeup products and just few skincare. So in today's video I want to talk about like hair care, body care particularly, and all the other range of products that I was always looking to buy but are out of stock most of the times, and this is in my wish list for the longest time. So if you are in a similar page as I am, you can totally relate to this. And by the way, I was just experimenting with my makeup today, and oh my god, the lashes, it gave me a very hard time. And the PAC lash fixer, turns out it's not working out for me anymore, and it was just not able to hold the lashes in place. But anyways, I have my phone right here with me, and I have wishlisted a lot of products, and I've kind of screenshotted some of the products that I want to talk to you guys about. So let's get started. So the first product I'm going to be talking about is the Tree Hut Sheer Sugar Scrub Coconut Lime. I already have this product and I almost out of it, and I want to repurchase this product, and it's always out of stock, and especially like the bigger sizes I really want to get it because this is one of my favorite body scrub, and it just makes your skin feel really nice, soft, smooth, and exfoliates, especially for the underarm area and everything. And I was just looking to buy this for the longest time and I cannot seem to find it. And the coconut lime variant is my favorite. It just makes you smell so fresh without making it smell too artificial and industrial. So this is one of my favorite, and it's been in my wish list, and looks like I can't find it back in stock. And the next one I'm going to be talking about is the Olay Total FX Anti-Aging Deep Penetrating Body Wash, the Moisture Body Wash. This is a 400 ml body wash, which is totally up my alley because I like to buy body wash products and generally products that I use on a daily basis with a bigger quantity, because I don't have to repurchase it too many times, and you get more quantity for the amount you pay. So it's like a bang for your buck, and I'm looking to buy this, and it was in my cart and then just sold out immediately. They also have another variant in this, I think 650 ml, so that is right now in stock, and maybe I will get that, and it is currently on a discount, so looking at trying that product out. And the next one I want to be talking about is the TIGI Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream. So this one and the other bedhead products are always being sold out really fast, and the time to restock it is quite slow. So I have tried to find this product on Myntra, on Amazon, and Amazon I'm not very sure because I'm not very sure who the seller is and if it is authentic, but at least on Nykaa and Myntra cannot find it. The Lakme Salon has it, like the online site has some of the products, but I'm not very sure about their shipping policy, and at this time I'm not sure how long it will take for me to get the product. If you have tried the Lakme website, let me know because I want to order this particular product. I have seen some people use this and it just makes their hair look a lot more smoother, a little bit more manageable. And currently I don't know if it is change of water or the products in general, like my hair seems a little bit more frizzy, and I don't really have frizzy hair because my hair used to be really nice and shiny and smooth, and that is when I was living in my mom's house, and right now the change of water is causing a little bit of frizziness to my hair. I'm not very happy with it, so I'm just trying to try out a lot of different products, like products that would smooth my hair, conditioners, leave-in conditioners, serums, and everything just to manage my hair. So if you have any recommendations, I would really love to try that out. So the next product I'm going to be talking about, which is currently right now in stock but keeps going in and out of stock so fast, is a L'Oreal Professional Expert Density Advanced Shampoo. So this is a 300 ml shampoo, and this retails for 665 rupees. Again, a pretty decent quantity, not the most like highest in terms of quantity, because I have used shampoos that are way above this in quantity, but again 300 ml is pretty good, especially for a shampoo, and the price is really nice. And I've been reading good reviews about this, and anything that can sort of help with the hair fall that I'm having currently. So that is why I was looking at buying this, but it just kept selling out so fast that I couldn't even place my order. Like, you don't really just order like that, right? You keep it in your cart, you procrastinate, and then you decide if you have to order it or not, and then by the time you wanted to pick it up, it's gone. And then another product that I wanted to buy is a skincare product. This is the Zilch Afterglow Vitamin C Serum. So I have heard really good reviews about this, but it is pretty pricey. It is for 1,400 rupees, and you can find it on discount occasionally, like about a 15% off. So I am really looking at buying this product, but let me know if it is actually worth the money, because I am someone whose skin doesn't go very well with vitamin C products. I just tend to break out quite often, and it just gives me a lot of texture. So So let me know if this product has worked out for you guys, because I am really looking at buying this and I want to make a video all about vitamin C serums that I've tried out. I have tried out a handful of it, a bunch of it, and some of this have worked out really well for me, and some, actually just quite a few, have worked out really well for me, and some haven't worked out at all. So let me know. The next one is the L'Occitane Citrus Verbena Cooling Deodorant. So this one retails for 1,750 rupees, but I just wanted to try out this particular product just to see if it's anywhere different from the usual deodorants that we have. I mean, this is my job and this is what I do. Like, I try out different products, different kind of skincare, body care products, just to see if it's worth the money or if it's not. So this is a product that I am looking at buying, but most of the times I cannot find it anywhere, and if it is, that particular month I wouldn't have the budget for that product, so I would just procrastinate it and be like, okay, I'll buy it next month, but again, can't find it. And this product, okay, I'm going to be talking about, I think a lot of you guys would agree with me because I cannot find this anywhere. Is this discontinued or what? This is the Matrix Biolage Smooth Proof Smoothing Mask. I have been trying to get this product. I've been searching high and low, where can I find this in stock, and I cannot, because this particular range has really good reviews and a lot of people really like it. And this is a 490 gram product for 490 rupees. So again, you get a decent quantity at an affordable price point. So I just don't really like to spend a lot on hair mask and everything, because I go through it quite often, because you do wash your hair quite often, and I'm just waiting and waiting and waiting, and I have like wishlisted it, notify me and everything, but Nykaa never notifies you when things come back in stock. So I try to look it up everywhere else as well, and I cannot find it anywhere. The next one is the Batiste Dry Shampoo, and this one is in the Divine Dark variant. So I like the Batiste Dry Shampoo. I just bought the travel size of it, the combo pack, the two dry shampoos that you can get for around 150 rupees or 300, not sure. Picked it up, really liked it, and do use it quite often. But the problem with that is it can leave a white cast on my hair, because my hair is brownish black, so it is a darker colored hair. I want something that can do the job without leaving that crazy white cast on my scalp, because it just is a task to blend that into your scalp. You have to like go vigorously and just blend that product in, and it takes a while. So I just want something that is easy and on the go but does the job. So the Divine Dark variant, in my opinion, would work for my hair, and I have tried to get it, but I don't think they do restock this that often like I am expecting it to. And also, I also want to try out the Batiste Dry Shampoo in the Plus Heavenly Volume. Heavily Volume. Plus Heavenly Volume variant. Again, something that can give volume. I'm totally up for it. I would just want to try out different kind of products and then narrow it down and let you guys know. So another product that I was looking at buying, which I have wishlisted, I haven't got it yet. It is in stock, but I just thought I'll wait for some time and pick it up, is the Wella Professionals Just Brilliant Shine Pomade. So I want something that can work on my hair, like when I'm tying it down and making a sleek ponytail, something that can set my hair as well, tame all the flyaways, and also give a little bit of a shine. So I'm looking at products that can do that, and I'm not very sure if this would do it, because the pomades that I have seen and everything are mostly matte and very drying in texture, and they have that clay kind of finish on the hair, and that's not my favorite. I'm looking at products that can give me a little bit of sheen, a little bit of shine on my hair. So again, waiting to pick this up. I can, but I'm just like trying to look up some reviews before I buy it and just be disappointed with products, because I already have a lot of products that I'm disappointed in, and I don't want to be disappointed again. So yeah, another thing is I wanted to try out a lot of products from the brand Purito and a lot of other Korean skincare brands. So I tried out this website called beautybarn.in, but they are currently not shipping anywhere else except Dimapur and Kohima. So I'm just waiting for them to open up shipping. But Purito is one brand that I am looking at buying, because I like the range of products that they have. They have a scented version, they have an unscented version. So from Wishton, I want to try out the Mandelic Acid 5% Prep Water. That is in 120 ml product, and that retails for 1,550 rupees. So waiting for that to come back in stock. I cannot find this particular product anywhere else, so looking at trying that out. And they also have a 30 ml one, which again, I'm up for anything that is available in stock. And 30 ml would ideally be the one that I would want to pick up because I don't want to waste my money, especially if the product doesn't work for me and my skin is allergic to it. I don't really know. So yeah, these are the products that I've always wanted to try out. I've always been keeping them in my cart, then they sell out, or I keep them in my wish list, can't really find that later, or never comes back in stock. So let me know what are the hair care, skincare products that you always wanted to try out and cannot find them anywhere, and they just, even if you keep them in your cart, they just sell out really fast. I would be really interested to know. So yeah, the point of this video is just to show you guys like my wish list and products that are actually quietly selling out really fast. And also it's a way for me to pick up your opinion about a certain product, because a lot of you guys would have tried this out and you can tell me if it works out or not, because you know, it's a long wait to get these products, and when you get it and it's disappointing, it's like heartbreaking. So you guys, I know for sure, would let me know about certain products. So yeah, leave that in the comment section down below, and while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.